In 1997, an underwater sound echoed across the Pacific. They called it the Bloop. Imagine a sound so loud and powerful that it reverberated through the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, captured by a network of underwater microphones known as hydrophones. This strange, ultra-low frequency sound was unlike anything ever recorded, and it quickly sparked a whirlwind of speculation. Some believed that the sound might have originated from a gigantic, unknown marine creature, one that lurked in the uncharted depths of the ocean. Others theorized that it could have been the result of seismic activity, specifically ice quakes in the sea ice. Despite various theories and scientific investigations, the true origin of the Bloop remains shrouded in mystery.